Are you looking to get the most out of your Google Analytics 4 data? Universal Analytics will no longer process data from the 1st of July 2023. This means that time is running out to migrate your Universal Analytics to GA4 before the 30th of June 2023. If you already have a Google Analytics 4 account set up, and even if you don't, Google has automatically created an account for you. This video will help you guide you through how to retain your user and event data. So setting up data and retention in GA4 is an important step for any business that wants to collect and analyze their customer data. What GA4 offers is enhanced data collection, providing better insight into user behaviors, engagement, and conversions. Now, let's get started by setting up your user and event data retention in GA4. First of all, you need to log into your Google Analytics account and navigate over to the admin panel. This can be found on the left-hand side of the screen. And you want to be in the property column. Then you want to find data settings, click data settings, and then click data retention. Now, by default, Google Analytics 4 sets the event retention rate to be 2 months. Now, if you want to track further than that, for 14 months, what you need to do is manually select this by clicking on 2 months and then go to 14 months and click save. You will have all the data for the next 14 months. Now, Google Analytics will take 24 hours for these changes to come into effect. But by doing this, you'll have successfully configured GA4 to retain the data for 14 months. You can start using your new data retention settings and make the most of your data. You can use it to understand customer behavior, customer segments, and optimizing your marketing strategies moving forwards. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial useful, and for more information on GA4 and how to improve your SEO, consider subscribing to this channel. My name is James King, and I'm the SEO team lead here at Click Intelligence. We'll catch you in the next GA4 video. Thanks for watching.